What's stopping you from traveling? Many things can stop you from traveling, but the biggest is usually yourself. Most of the reasons you come up with for why you can't travel are just excuses, fears, and hurdles that seem bigger than they really are. Don't let your fears control you. Or maybe you don't have many travel fears, but you worry about the cost of traveling. Traveling can actually be much more affordable than you might think. So, yes, here is my story. Spending months after months in a locked up environment has put a mental scar which I thought could only be erased by traveling, by meeting new people, by going on long drives, by looking at the vast expanses of sky, by staring at the endless ocean, by breathing the freshest air, and by witnessing lush of greenery. When you really want something to happen, the whole universe conspires so that your wish comes true. Paul Coelho. So that is when I found this website called Muddy Trails. Muddy Trails organizes offbeat trips and treks that are tailored to quench your thirst for wanderlust.
Guys, finally I have arrived in Gokarna, and opposite to our stay there is a private beach which is called as Nirvana Beach, and let me show you our stay.
So my trip started with a relaxing morning on Nirvana Beach. Parnakutira is the most peaceful and beautiful beach resort, which is nature-friendly guest house located near to Nirvana Beach. It's just 10 kilometers from Gokarna. This place is calm and serene. It's uncrowded, which makes one feel like being on a private beach for almost half the price compared to any other stay in Gokarna. With a beachside tent stay, food, fire camp and music available at a very reasonable price, Parnakutira makes for the best place to visit with your college squad. If you are planning to go on a budget-friendly trip, this is where you should be headed. This place is simply awesome. You will stay just a few steps away from the sea. I think people in general are not meant to be tied down to just one place their entire lives. I especially feel trapped when I have to stay in the same place for too much time without being able to really move about and explore. This is a resort cuddled up with a lush of greenery, and it was suitable for rediscovering myself. Being in this kind of nature resort and viewing scenes of nature helped me reduce anger, fear and stress and increased my pleasant feelings. Traveling has the ability to take you out of your daily routine and into new surroundings and experiences that can reset your body and mind. During the solo trip of mine to Gokarna, I have met people from different work backgrounds, a doctor, a team leader, an entrepreneur. Trust me, I really feel my life feels most fulfilling when I'm outside living through new experiences and learning from people I met during this trip.
Hello, so we are at Nirvana Beach, and we have come to play beach volleyball.
There's nothing like a sea breeze to put a smile on your face. I'm thankful to this trip because I got a chance to play beach volleyball, which helped me remind me of my childhood days. After playing beach volleyball, we got some time to relax at the resort.
So guys, this is the top view from our kutir, and in one direction I can see the ocean, which is the top view from here, and in the other direction it is a kutir. Let me show you a view.
Going to the beach is not only about getting a tan or about escaping the hustle bustle of the city. Waves crashing along the shores, sand in between your toes, and sun kissing your shoulders. If that sounds good to you, then maybe you should get up and hit the Nirvana Beach right now. Beach relaxes your mind. A leisurely walk along the beach decreases stress levels and boosts the production of endorphins or the happy hormones. In fact, Simply being near the beach improves well-being and promotes better health.
After a sumptuous lunch, we took a break and then we are on our way to Augusta Beach and Heaven Beach, and from there we'll head to a sunset point along with some trekking. So let's see.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's a 7-kilometer trek and we started at 3:30 p.m. so that we don't miss out the sunset. This is one of the best trekking destinations in South India. I had a great trekking experience. My trip mates made my trekking experience enjoyable, informative and comfortable. Going on a trip to Gokarna is one of the best decisions I took in 2021. And because my trip mates were totally passionate about trekking, hiking and traveling, I really enjoyed their company. I loved this trekking experience on the way to Sunset Point in the Augusta Beach, and I'm sure that anyone would.
So guys, if you can see me, my face is all red. It is because of this trekking. So trekking every now and then is very healthy, and it promotes the heart health also. So keep traveling and keep trekking.
And as we were nearing the sunset point at Augusta Beach, there was a thrilling expression on everybody's faces, and I could see that. And if you plan to visit Gokarna, please don't miss the sunset point at Augusta Beach. This beach gives the most wonderful view for a sunset. The beach presents a lot of opportunities to try something for the first time, and that is when I have decided to do a vlog for Gokarna. A weekend at this place helped me relax my mind and body, and most importantly, it made me happier.
Well, this is the Augusta River, and it is the end of the trek, and we have seen couple of dolphins also here, and yeah, it has been great and rewarding after such a long trek seeing the sunset point.
Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me, if you choose the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not be so hard. Isn't it? Practicing gratitude and being grateful to simple things in life are keys to a happier life. Dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the water set your soul free. There's nothing more beautiful than the way the ocean refuses to stop kissing the shoreline. no matter how many times it's sent away. Sarah K. Everyone were awaiting to see a dolphin, and then a dolphin jumped through the hoops, flipping through the air and balancing on their tails above the water. At the beach, life is different. Time doesn't move hour to hour, but mood to moment. We live by the currents, plan by the tides, and follow the sun. So personally, for me, beach isn't always a place. Sometimes it's a feeling. So that comes to an end of part 1 of my budget-friendly Gokarna trip. Thank you for watching.